Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Use a knife to peel off the front left guard sticker. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the upper left guard. Tilt the guard lower section out and up to remove. Repeat procedure to remove the upper right guard on the opposite side. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 6 screws securing the bottom cover. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the front air deflector. Starting on the right side, use a PH2 bit and M10 socket to remove the 10 screws securing the left inner cover. Use a 10mm wrench and PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the front left and right guard. Use a 10mm socket and a PH2 bit to remove the 10 screws securing the battery box assembly. Unplug the 2 wires connected to the battery box assembly. Use a needle nose pliers to remove the 2 pins securing the battery compartment cover. Replace it with a new battery box assembly and tighten the battery compartment cover with 2 pins. Plug the 2 connectors. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the battery box assembly. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the front left and right guard. Ensure the 4 clamp plates are properly mounted on the left inner cover. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the left inner cover. Tighten the 4 screws to secure the front air deflector. Tighten the 6 screws to secure the bottom cover. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the upper left guard and follow the same steps to secure the upper right guard. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the seat assembly. Close the battery compartment cover.